Today we have a tasty and colorful appetizer that's going to be perfect for your next party or barbecue. This is Mexican tomato salad. We'll start by rinsing 16 ounces of grape tomatoes. Now we'll add just a couple tablespoons of olive oil. Then 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 3/4 teaspoon of Mexican oregano, salt and pepper to taste. We are now going to add the magic ingredient to this recipe. Our habanero and chiltepin sauce has a beautiful earthy flavor from the chiltepin pepper and some wonderful fruitiness from the habanero. It's going to go perfect for this dish. We're going to add about 1 ounce. Now just give this a gentle stir to combine all of these wonderful flavors together. Time to transfer this into a serving dish and hit it up with some of your favorite Mexican cheese. And there we go. Now it's time to serve it up to all those hungry people you've got waiting. We hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for all your support, and we'll see you on the next one.